Hey friends, the recent Windows update has started pushing a lot of advertisements in Windows 11, and if you wish to remove these ads or disable them, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the resolutions. The first solution is to disable lock screen ads. So right click on the start button and select settings from the menu. Go to the personalization tab on the list on the left hand side. In the right pane, select lock screen and then turn this switch off. Show the lock screen background picture on the sign in screen. You can turn this off. The second solution is to disable search ads. So right click on the start button and select settings and then go to the privacy and security tab on the list on the left hand side. In the right pane, click on search permissions. Scroll down to the bottom. There's something called as show search highlights. Turn this off. And here's one more thing that I do. I disable search history on the device. And if I had any search history, I click on clear device search history. The next is to disable widgets. Now these are the widgets. Okay, and there are a lot of ads here. Here's what I do. Right click on this search taskbar and then turn the switch off for widgets. Even more, you can also disable notifications. Now people say that yes, we keep getting notifications here. I'll tell you what, these notifications are not actually required and they're app specific. So one thing is that we can open the start menu and right click on these and then you can what do we say, manage them and remove the notifications. But there's a better method. Just disable all of them. So right click on the start button and select settings from the menu. Go to the system tab on the list on the left hand side. In the right pane, there is an option for notifications. Click on it and then just turn off all the notifications. These are app specific notifications if you want to disable it for a specific app, but I usually disable it for all the apps. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel, and if not, then let us know in the comment section of this video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.